Hi guys, Chaos Knight here, and today I'm going to show you the top 3 special moves of balance type base in Beyblade Burst Rivals. So the first one is going to be Axe Launch of Legends Pricing. I'm going to battle Cleo to show you all the special moves. Even though Cleo is on a higher level, I don't care because it's too easy. Too easy, even though he's on a higher level. So basically what Axe Launch does is I'm going to brief you about it. So Axe Launch. Axe Launch will give a certain amount of burst damage. Then after that, you could see those red circle tiles. So those are a special tile which allows you to damage the opponent. But after Axe Launch, those tiles will give you stamina. It will decrease the opponent's stamina. It will give him more burst damage, and all additionally it will give him stability damage. So you can imagine for yourself how powerful it is going to be. So now I'm going to just unleash Axe Launch on Cleo, and you can then see how powerful it is. So wait for a second or two. So here it is. Here's Axe Launch. The animation is also kind of cool, not that cool though. So it was unleashed. As you saw the power of Axe Launch. Like, I did not even have to break a sweat. That's the power of Axe Launch. So the next Beyblade is going to be Turbo Spryzen with its Turbo Counter Break. So again I'm going to test it out on Cleo, and I'm going to brief you about it. So Turbo Counter Break, what it does is it first gives the opponent burst damage and stability damage. Moreover, it will counter all incoming attacks and give the opponent damage. And after that, if the opponent matches stamina tiles, it will absorb it and decrease the opponent's burst health too. And that's how it works. So you may not think it's that powerful, but in reality it's really good. Really good, and I mean it. So you need to give me like a minute or two so that I can show you how powerful it is. So this round shall be the last round for Cleo. So here I have filled up the whole technique bar, and now I'm going to unleash Turbo Counter Break. So give me a second, and here it is. It's unleashed. So the animation is also pretty cool and red. So that gave him damage, that gave him more damage, and now Cleo's attack gave him so much damage. His stamina gave him a lot of damage, and it decreased his stamina. So that was one of the most powerful attacks available in Beyblade Burst Rivals in balance type base. So I'm just quickly going to burst Cleola now, and then I will move on to the next bay. So Cleo's dead. That was obvious. I did not have to break a sweat yet again. So now for the next bay, it is going to be Heat Salamander, or as many of you call it, Hell Salamander. So its special move is Swirling Inferno. So what Swirling Inferno does, it gives the opponent a knockback and additional stability damage, and it also gives the opponent a lot of burst damage. Sorry for the lag there. So it will also resist you from all like if the opponent gives you those orangish circlish tiles which decrease your stamina, that will be less effective on you. The opponent's damage on you will be less effective, and the opponent's stability damage on you will also be less effective. So basically it will get more defense, and it will damage the opponent. So I'm quickly going to unleash it on Cleo. So I filled up the technique bar yet again. Give me 5 seconds and I'll unleash it. And here it is, Swirling Inferno. The animation is also pretty cool. And Cabeus is also here to help us. Hazard Cabeus, not King Cabeus or Kaiser. So as you saw, that gave him a knockback and additional burst damage, and now I have finished Cleo, and this is going to be the end. So I hope you liked the video, and I hope you enjoyed, and bye.